Welcome to Haven Gardening. If you've ever wanted to grow your own food but felt overwhelmed by where to start, you're in the right place. My name is Mark, and this channel was created because I believe everyone deserves the knowledge to grow something meaningful with their own hands. Every single video on this channel is designed with one goal in mind: to make gardening simple, accessible, and rewarding for people of all ages and experience levels. Now, I want to take a moment to share something personal with you: how these videos actually come to life. Every video you see on Haven Gardening begins with an idea. I spend hours researching topics that I know will genuinely help you. Whether that's 30 crops you must plant in January or the best way to grow avocados from seed. Once I settle on a topic, I sit down and write every word of the script myself. I don't just read articles off the internet. I craft each narrative based on real gardening knowledge, personal experience, and what I know my viewers are actually struggling with. For example, when I write a script about growing avocados, I'm pulling from years of hands-on learning, the failures, the successes, the little tricks that nobody tells you. That's the kind of depth I bring to every single video. After the script is complete, I move into the editing process, where I spend countless hours carefully selecting visuals that match the story I'm telling, then spend even more time cutting, trimming, and syncing everything perfectly inside of Premiere Pro. This process from idea to final upload takes significant time and creative energy, but I wouldn't have it any other way because I genuinely care about the quality of what I put out. There are a lot of gardening channels out there. So why Haven Gardening? Because I don't just give you generic tips you could find anywhere. I give you practical, tested guidance, rooted in real-world experience. Each video is crafted to tell a story, to take you on a journey from problem to solution in a way that actually sticks. I also listen to you. I read your comments. I see what questions you're asking, what challenges you're facing. And I use that feedback to shape future videos. This channel isn't a one-way broadcast. It's a community. Your input directly influences the content I create. That's what makes Haven Gardening different. It's built with you, not just for you. My commitment to you is simple. Every video will teach you something useful, whether it's how to maximize your avocado yield, the best crops to plant before winter, or how to build healthy soil from scratch. You'll walk away with actionable knowledge you can apply immediately. I take education seriously. That's why I invest the time to research thoroughly, script carefully, and present clearly. I want you to feel confident in your garden, not confused. So hit that subscribe button, tap the bell so you never miss a new video, and let's grow something amazing together. Thank you for trusting me with your time. Welcome to Haven Gardening. Let's get growing